Hi, welcome to the CAD Nest. I am Kantraj from RT Nagar branch. Today I am going to teach you how to use the VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP both. So VLOOKUP is nothing but a vertical lookup, whereas HLOOKUP is a horizontal lookup. So VLOOKUP is applicable when the criteria or the tax table or the whatever the conditions are there that are written in the vertical wise, and the HLOOKUP is applicable when the tax rates are applicable in the horizontal wise. For example, here we have employees names, employees designation, the salary, and also with the tax rate. So I need to calculate the tax rate as per the salary. If the salary is 5,000, then the tax rate will be 1%, and the salary is 95,000, the tax rate will be 13%. So according to the tax table, I need to calculate the tax rate. So here the tax table is in the vertical wise, so I can apply VLOOKUP for this function. And if the tax table, if it is in the horizontal wise, then I can apply HLOOKUP formula. So let us discuss the both formula in this lesson. So is equals to VLOOKUP open the bracket. So before applying the VLOOKUP, I'll select the tax table and mention the name as a tax table. I'll select the tax table and mention the name as a tax table. So for this particular cells, it has been changed the name. It will change the name as a tax table. And also select these cells, mention as a table. So when I select these cells, here we can see the table name. So is equals to VLOOKUP open the bracket. Lookup value is the salary. Table array, select the table. So when I select the table, automatically name has been displayed here, comma. So column index number is 2, close the bracket, enter. So when we drag the formula, so we can easily see the tax calculated. So it is showing in the numbers, numeric values. So convert into the percentage style. So the tax rate is applicable as per the tax table. If the same formula I need to apply as a HLOOKUP, then is equals to HLOOKUP open the bracket. Lookup value is the salary, where the table array is selected this table, comma, row index number is 2, close the bracket. So here the table array, select the table array, press F4. F4 means the cell address remains constant. The cell address remains constant. Since if I drag the formula, instead of B4, the cell address will be changed as B5, B6, B7, B8 for all the cells. So whenever the cell address changes, automatically the table cell address will be changed. So I need to remain the cell address of the table array constant, but the lookup value cell address has to be changed. To remain constant of the table array, so select the table and press F4. When I press the F4 key in the keyboard, then the dollar symbol will be displayed. It's nothing but the cell address of the table array that remains constant. So press enter. Again see the formula here, convert into the percentage style. So this is how we are going to use HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. Thank you for watching.